How to add a countdown on your Instagram story. Hello guys, today I will show you how to add a countdown in your Instagram story. Just watch the video until the end. Go first and you open your Instagram. After that, when your Instagram is open and you go here, for example, you want to add a new story, then you would choose the picture that you want to use. For example, I want to use these pictures. Then I will click and go up like swipe up. Then I will go to countdown here as you see and click on it. Then I will give a name of this countdown, for example, my birthday. Then I will click, I will set the time, for example, this, for example, so it's will on 4 day in 11 hours. And that's it guys, so I hope these videos have found useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.